Hello, this is my video on how to repair the Keurig coffee maker. This model in particular is a B70, I think. It's the nice one. And there's nothing really more frustrating when you get up in the morning really early and you walk downstairs and you try and brew a cup of coffee and you see this little message on the screen. Descale, which means it's clogged. And if you go all over the internet, you can find tips on how to unclog the nozzles and do all kinds of different repairs, but no one's ever really gotten to the root of the problem. But there is a tool that they make. If you turn it off, there's a tool that they make specially for these kinds of things. Several different companies make them. The particular tool I have is made by Chevrolet. The important part for whatever tool you choose is to pick one that the tire is bigger than the coffee maker. Otherwise, if you have a Honda or something, the Honda will just knock it over instead of fixing the problem. So if we just wait a minute here, we can start the tool.
It's. You want to go?
Yeah, you're gonna get it again. Wait.
So you can see this right here is the problem. The hose was clogged with something. So thanks for watching the video. If you need any more tips on how to repair appliances, let me know.